Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, last class we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples in that exercise 8C. Okay, so let's discuss homework answers first. Write the prime factors of each number and find the LCM in that F 20, 50, 60, 100. So, you will get the LCM 300. Okay, now G 3, 5, 15, 25, you will get the LCM 75. Now second question, find the LCM of the following sets of numbers using division method. A 22, 44, 66. So here another method for finding LCM, that is division method. Okay, let's see how to do this. So in division method, do the prime factorization of given numbers together. Okay, so you can divide 22, 44, 66. Do the prime factorization of the given numbers. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. So you can divide it by 2. Okay, now it will be 11. 22 division 2, it is 11. 44 divided by 2, it is 22. 66 divided by 2, it is 33. Okay, now all these numbers 11, 22 and 33 are divisible by 11. So divide by 11. Okay, now 11 divided by 11, 1. 22 divided by 11, it is 2. 33 divided by 11, it is 3. If you are finding HCF, you can stop here because you can't divide 2 and 3 with a common number. Okay, so for finding LCM, continue doing prime factorization until you get all the numbers 1. Okay, here in place of 2 also you should get 1, and in place of 3 also you should get 1 in LCM. Okay, so this 2, how can you make 1? 2 divided by 2 only you can make 1. Okay, so divide by 2. Okay, so 1. 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. Don't divide 3 by 2. Instead write 3 here. Okay, write down this 3. Now in place of 3 only, 1 is not there. So in order to make this 3 1, divide 3 by 3. Okay, so 1, 1, 3 divided by 3, it is 1. You got full numbers 1 here, so you can stop. Now the LCM will be 2 into 11 into 2 into 3. 2 into 11, 22, 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 3, it is 132. This is the LCM of the given numbers 22, 44 and 66. Second one, 9, 12, 18, 24. So first do the prime factorization of 9, 12, 18 and 24 together. Here you can see one thing, all these numbers are divisible by 3. So you can divide it by 3. Okay, so 9 divided by 3, it is 3. 12 divided by 3, it is 4. 18 divided by 3, it is 6. 24 divided by 3, it is 8. Okay, now you can see 4, 6, 8. These are divisible by 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so you can divide by 2. Okay, in place of 3, you can write 3 itself. Since you can't divide 3 by 2. Okay, 3 is not divisible by 2. That's why we write 3 as it is. Now, 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 6 divided by 2, you will get 3. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Okay. Now here 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. So you can divide this by 2. Now here also 3 you can't divide by 2. So write 3 as it is. Okay. Now 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 3 divided by 2. Sorry, 3 you can't divide it by 2. So write 3 as it is. Don't divide 3 by 2. Now 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Okay. Now here 3. 2 times 3 is coming. So in order to make these 3's 1, you can divide it by 3. Okay. So 3 divided by 3, 1. Now this one you can write as it is. Now 3 divided by 3, 1. 2 you can't divide it by 3. So write down this 2. In place of 2 you can write 2 itself. Now here only 1 is not coming. So 2. In order to make this 2, 1, you can divide it by 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2 divided by 2, you got 1. Okay. So all the numbers are 1 now. So what will be LCM? 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. That is 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 2, 72 will be the LCM. Next is C. 8, 40, 54, 135. So do the prime factorization of given numbers together. Here you can see 8, 40 and 54. These three are divisible by 2. Okay, so you can first divide by 2. Now 8 divided by 2, it is 4. 40 divided by 2, it is 20. 54 divided by 2, it is 27. Now 135, it is not divisible by 2, so don't divide. Write 135 as it is. Okay. Now again here 4 and 20, these two are divisible by 2. So you can divide by 2. Okay. So 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 20 divided by 2, it is 10. 27 is not divisible by 2. So write 27. Write down 27 as it is. Now 135 is also not divisible by 2. So write down 135 as it is. Okay. Now 2 and 10. These two are divisible by 2. So divide 2 and 10 by 2. So 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Okay. Now 27 you can't divide it by 2. So write 27 as it is. 135 is also not divisible by 2. So 135 also you can write down. Now 5. Here 5 is coming. In order to make this 5 1, in place of 5 we need 1. So divide by 5. So 1. 5 divided by 5, it is 1. Now 27 you can write down as it is, because 27 is not divisible by 5. Next 135 division 5, you will get 27. Okay. 135 division 5, it is 27. Now 27. These two, 27 is divisible by 3. So divide by 3. So 1. 27 divided by 3, it is 9. Again 27 divided by 3, it is 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3. So divide 9 by 3. So 1. 9 divided by 3, it is 3. 9 divided by 3, again you got 3. Okay, 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 1, 1. 3 divided by 3, it is 1. Again 3 divided by 3, it is 1. We got full numbers 1. So you can stop. Okay, here why you are not dividing by 27? Because in prime factorization, we use only prime numbers for division. Don't use composite numbers for division. Okay, so here the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So the LCM is 1080. D 21, 33, 42, 44. You need to find the LCM of these numbers. So do the prime factorization of these numbers together. So 21, 33, 42. These three are divisible by 3. Okay, you can't find a number with which these four numbers are divisible. Okay, there is no common factor for all these numbers. So 21, 33, 42, these three are divisible by 3. So you can divide by 3. Okay, now 3 into 21 divided by 7, you will get 7. 33 divided by 7, you will get 11. 42 divided by 3, you will get 14. 44 is not divisible by 3. Okay, you can't divide 44 by 3. So write 44 as it is. Okay. Now 14 and 44. These two are divisible by 2. So divide by 2. Okay. Now 7. 7 you can't divide by 2. So write 7 as it is. 11 also you can't divide by 2. So write 11 as it is. 14 by 2 it is 7. 44 by 2 it is 22. Okay. Now here 7 2 times it is coming. So in place of 7, if you want to make it 1, you can divide it by 7. Okay, so divide by 7. Dividing by 7, what you will get? 7 divided by 7, it is 1. 11, you can't divide it by 11, so write 11 as it is. Now 7 divided by 7, 1. 22, you can't divide by 7, so write 22 as it is. Okay. Now 11 and 22. In place of 11 and 22, 11 and 22 is divisible by 11. So you can divide by 11. Now 1. 11 divided by 11, it is 1. 1. Now again 1. 22 divided by 11, it is 2. In place of 2 only, 1 is not coming. So in order to make this 2 1, you can divide it by 2. Okay, so 1, 1, 1. 2 divided by 2, you got 1. Okay, all numbers you got 1. So you can stop here. So what will be LCM? LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 7 into 11 into 2. 3 into 2 into 7 into 11 into 2. So 924 you will get. So LCM is 924. Next E 15, 30, 60, 90. So do the prime factorization of 15, 30, 60 and 90 together. You know all these numbers are divisible by 3. So you can divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 you will get 5. 30 divided by 3 it is 10. 60 divided by 3 it is 20. 90 divided by 3 it is 30. Now all these numbers 5, 10, 20 and 30, these are divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 it is 1, 10 divided by 5 it is 2, 20 divided by 5 it is 4, 30 divided by 5 it is 6. Okay, now 2, 4 and 6, these are divisible by 2. So 1, 2 divided by 2 it is 1, 4 divided by 2 it is 2, 6 divided by 2 it is 3. Okay, now 2 and 3 it is coming. So 2 you can divide it by 2 only. In place of 2, if you want to get 1, then divide by 2. Okay, so 1, 1, 2 divided by 2 it is 1. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so write 3 as it is. Okay, don't divide 3 by 2. You can write down that 3. Now here only you are not getting 1. So 3, if you want to make this 3 1, divide by 3. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 3 divided by 3, you got 1. Okay, now all the numbers are 1, so you can stop. So what will be LCM? 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. 180. So LCM of 15, 30, 60 and 90 it is 180. Do F, G and H as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.